Alright, for anyone who might want to create a free website for their local business, Google Business Profile is the way to go. In this video, I will run you through how to use the free business website tool available on your Google Business Profile list. Now, having a website in this era of digital economy is crucial, but more importantly, having a professional website is really key. It is a key tool for driving sales online. So, nearly 70% of consumers state that they are more likely to buy from a business that has a website over one that does not. And you need to understand that websites are so important, especially for these three key reasons. Number one, first impression. First impression, they say, lasts longer. So having a website allows you to showcase your business and brand to customers before they visit, enabling them to make a better judgment about your business. Number two is the fact that people don't window shop like they used to any longer. So fewer people shop on high street than before. So having a website enables you to market yourself to your audiences online and sell online to them. Number three is the fact that your website in the online world is akin to your physical store. It is where traffic from your blogs, your social media, promo, advertisement platforms should go. So this is a more effective way of taking your customer through the sales part of sales funnel. Now, the good news is signing up a Google Business Profile offers you a free business website that provides all of these paraphernalia of a good website. So all you have to do is you log into your Google Business Profile account via business.google.com using your email and password. And then from there, you will find at the top left corner of your screen or your business dashboard 3 short parallel lines where you get the drop down to the menu options. From there, you can navigate to where website is. Click website to get started. And then what you see next is you see your website creating. So after creation, the next thing you do is you edit, you publish, and then you customize your website. So how do you edit? Your website will be created using the background details you use during completing your Google Business Profile. Once your website is created, next is you are going to be able to edit your website. You can see that the first thing to do is to set your website theme. Here I'm going to be using Lux, set my website theme. Use the edit button to manage your call to action, call now, contact us, direction, codes, messages, or WhatsApp posts. This I'm using WhatsApp posts. You can create a button that will directly link the user to your WhatsApp page. So you can also have your headline, make a nice description about your product, put in the summary header, and then the body summary of your business. And then once you complete the editing, you are expected to save it. Next is your photos, but if you already have your photos filled and edited, you have already added enough photos during the setting of your Google Business Profile. You might not really need to adjust it because, like I said, they would have formed the background information for creating your website. Clicking on more allows you to be able to publish your website if it is not yet published, and then you'll have other information like site settings and all of that you can also manage from the more option setting. Now the information here is they are selected and curated from the list of information you gave when creating your Google Business Profile, and the business name to the WhatsApp number to the header photo, the updates on the account, then your post if you have not created one before, your post, the info, the testimonial, and then the review. Where here you can get to copy your review link, and then when you copy and share your review link, you get to see what people are saying about your business. Then these are images. So here you can get to add your own images, your preferred images, to set the background for your website. So as you can see, all the informations are lifted from your Google My Business main page. And once you are through with that, next is to go to more options to be able to publish your website. So this is how you get to publish your website. As you can see, your website is on the web already. So this is how you get to create a free website in less than 5 minutes. The other things you can do is that you can get to edit and customize your website address, URL. And how do you get to do that? So here I've been able to customize my URL to the preferred URL, one that is easily remembered. So the difference between this and other is the fact that it is .business.site. That's why we call it a business website. Once you complete your setting up of your free website, the next is you can easily copy the link and try it out to see how users preview you can have a preview of your website by just copying the link and put it on another tab on your browser. Again, this is more like the free like the back end to your free website, so you can always come back here to update your site name, update listing to use this website on Google search and maps, or even come back here to unpublish your website, or even run a Google Ads, promote your business with Google Ads. So to test my new site address, I can easily copy the link, which is habitsfarms.business.site, open a new tab on my browser, copy it in the search bar, and then send. So whatever comes up is the preview to my website. You can see how this looks on my browser. So this free website comes handy. It is mobile friendly, and you can use your SEO, search engine optimization on it. You can place Google Ads to specifically target the type of product or services you offer, which is what we call search engine marketing. You can use Google Analytics to track the traffic to this same website. So it's that simple and straightforward. So if you follow the instructions, just we have been able to successfully create your free website, your business site for your business.